podcasts that we've been discussing some of the models we've been seeing in the anatomy lab so far, and this one covers some of the structures that do discuss when we talk about the endocrine system. The one we're looking at now here is known as the pancreas. And there's just a few very simple structures we have referred to when we discuss the pancreas. Pancreas can be said to have three basic regions, of which we can see the first one here, known as the head. Also, if we look posteriorly here, you can see the head quite distinctive on this model. So the head. When we come into the bulk of this organ, known as this part of the glandular epithelia, known as the body, and we continue on with the tail. From the body, coming from the head through the body all the way to the tail, that will continue on here, you can see a large duct that branches here at the side, coming down from the duodenum over to here, known as the pancreatic duct. And here we can even note where the pancreatic ducts do exit into the duodenum as it comes down, and we can see even parts of the lumen here. So as we're looking at this model, this is one of which we can see the pancreas. The pancreas, other than that, these are the only structures you will note. Again, we can see the head, body, and tail of the pancreas from both its anterior and posterior view. The other models that you may have besides your torsos, which are very difficult to put under here, is this model, which we can note a few structures here. Just again, the same thing, the pancreas seen here with its head here near the duodenum. So the head, the body, and the tail, and the pancreatic duct. This one is not as good as the previous one, but you can see that structure known as the pancreas. You will be covering this not only when it comes to structures important for our basic understanding for endocrine, but we will be discussing this structure as well in the digestive system because of its importance in the production of insulin from B cells that are utilized, and glucagon that are used for the breakdown and digestion, and among other things for the breakdown of sugars in our blood, and is also very important in its prominent role when we discuss diabetes. So that does it for our pancreas model, and we'll continue on with some of the other epithelia, but it's easier as we talk, or for the other endocrine parts of the endocrine system, it's easier to discuss them more separately. So that does it for what you will need to know primarily for the pancreas as it comes into the exam.